Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Mahmoud Yusuf and my today demo topic is detection of face masks. So I done this project in lab of artificial intelligence course. So I will demo this project. So let me first show the data set we used for our training. This is the our data set with mask and about 260 690 items with mask and similarly 686 items without mask. We use this kind of data set for our training of models. Let me show the model here. This is our Jupyter notebook file. So in this section we are importing some libraries here and we are using TensorFlow JS, and I will explain later why we are using this library, because we are integrating this model with a website. So we will be saving our this model for prediction on website. So this is just importing library section. In the next step, we are loading our data from our path, and similarly here we are assigning labels here 0 and 1, and we have a 1376 items for our training. So we are randomizing our training data sets here in this section, and in this section we are um, reshaping reshaping by using NumPy library to be output to set as an input for our neural network, and we are converting our binary labels to categorical form. So this is our neural network architecture, which have multiple layers, and we have a sort max function at last layer, and which will be predicting whether there is a mask or no mask in the image. So model dot compiling, we are using loss function categorical cross entropy and optimizer Adam and matrices or accuracy, and model dot fit, and we are using 10 epochs for our training, and validation split is 0.3. So this is our model accuracy 0.98, and validation accuracy 0.96. So this is our face mask recognition file. So I'm we are saving our file here, which will be using in websites to predict um, to predict mask in image in real time by integrating with website. We are saving our model here that we will be loading it in our website. So let me show. So this is our interface. So by using Bootstrap, I designed a website for face mask prediction. So go live. So let me show the interface here. So this is our website I designed by using Bootstrap 4. So when I click on prediction by image, so this section come up, and we have some context section. This is our just a slider view, and So our model is successfully loaded. Here are showing, and let's upload some image here to predict. Suppose this one image. Let's predict no mask is detected. Here values are showing 94% for a no mask. So let's predict another one. Here is again no mask about to 0. I mean 83% for a no mask. Let's predict n mask here. So there might be some issues with JavaScript here. So I finally fixed it. So when I click on with mask, so now mask is successfully detected. So let's try another image here. So it's again wrong guess. So here is mask detected. So let me show the code here. So when user click on mask prediction button, then on click make prediction function is called. So let me show the make prediction function here. We are getting the image ID here, and first we pre-process our image. Its function here pre-process. So we are using different techniques for our pre-processing. Like we are getting pixels, then we are getting mean, and then we are reshaping it and dividing it by 255. Then we return our normalized image here, which will which pass to our saved models. As I was talking in introduction, our save model is predicting this image. Is there any mask or no mask? So if our prediction is greater than 1, so it's our conditions are working here, as are also showing on web interface. So that's all from my side, and thank you very much for watching.